Hi, this is Fawaz, Utility Composites, and today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use our tools with our fasteners. So this is Omer 81P stapler. This is compatible with our 19 gauge staples. The 19 gauge staples include the SO525, the SO537, and the SO555. And I will show you how to use the tool. So for our staplers, we use a 1/4 inch male fitting. We recommend using a fitting with straight threads. You can also use a tapered thread, but make sure to use thread tape. So the first thing you want to do is to put oil. This is pneumatic tool oil that comes with staplers. 3 to 4 drops should be good. And then you connect the tool to the air hose. Make sure that the pressure for your air compressor is between 60 to 90 because that's the working pressure for this tool. So to load the gun, you open the magazine. I'm using the SO537. This is the 81P, so this is compatible. And now you should be ready to drive the staples. To drive the staples, you just pull the safety back and then you place the nose in line with the board that you're trying to staple. Push the trigger in